Hola, Luis Somoano, y estamos en la Ford de Kendall, hoy en este gran evento de respaldar a nuestra policía. Así que comparta con nosotros, mira todos los autos que tenemos, mira todo lo que estamos haciendo en pleno corazón de Kendall, la Ford de Kendall. Muchas gracias.
Good evening, folks. My name is Arguelles. I'm the president of the Hispanic Police Officer Association. It's a foundation that's been set up here in South Florida for the past 40 years. We have about 18 to 1900 members currently, and about 3 or 4 weeks ago, one of our retired members came up to us and stated, listen, let's do something for the police officers that involves the community. We need to bring awareness that all police officers and police departments are not what you're seeing in social media today. Police officers are part of the community. We have our families that live in the community, and we share with the community, and we vote just like everybody else does.
We've got food trucks, we've got live music, we've got food. We're here to do just to kick off the event, have some fun, enjoy some cool cars.
The foundation, what it does is we give back to the community. We do turkey drives for the less fortunate in Homestead. We do toy drives for the less fortunate. We also give back to our officers who are part of the organizations by helping them when they're down, when they've been injured, when unfortunately a death happens on duty, and we in this foundation also helps out with scholarships, school scholarships and college scholarships every year. So that's what we're doing it for.
Ya se está acabando el evento y le queremos dar las gracias a todas esas personas que han participado, lo mismo aquí que virtualmente. Muchísimas personas han elegido venir virtualmente porque está un poco nublado y parece que va a llover, pero ha sido un evento espectacular. Prepárense porque vamos a tener muchísimos eventos en el futuro como este, así que no se vayan para ningún lado. ¿Dónde estamos? En la 155 y la US1, en pleno corazón de Kendall, la nueva Ford de Kendall, la capital de Ford de los Estados Unidos. Muchas gracias.